Tanner, I'm here before you as happiest a man could ever be. You deserve all the happiness in the world, and I promise I'll do the best I can to be the best man for you. You mean the world to me, and luban est armastan sin ikavesti.
Tiin meeldis mulle esimesest silmapilgust. Tiini kätte ma usaldan oma tütre. Tiinis ma näen jõudu. Ja Tene hoiab Tiini. Ja teil on super tulevik.
Dean, from this moment, I take you as my best friend for life. I pledge to honor, encourage and support you through our walk together. When our way becomes difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift that you through our union. We can accomplish more than we can by alone. I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. With every beat of my heart, I love you.
Oleme üheskoos kogunenud tänasel kaunil päeval siia, et liita Ten Toomas ja Tene nende ühise elude alustamiseks. Dear Ten Toomas, if you desire to enter into legal marriage and take Tene Metsalu as your lawfully wedded wife, I ask you to answer yes.
Yes.
Ning teil, Tene, kinnitamaks oma soovi astuda täna seaduslikku abielu Ten Toomas McDonaldiga, palun teile öelda jah.
Jah.
Ja nüüd ma paluksin sõrmuseid. Congratulations, and now it's time to kiss each other.
Ekkine põljunnu.
Ütle mulle kähku, mida me ütlema tahad inglise keeles.
Cheers.
One, two, three. Go find your seat.
We would like to welcome Tanner into the McDonald clan. and I was wondering if I could call you Tanner McDonald, and I am going to call you Tanner McDonald.
Mul ei ole teile muud soovida kui ilusat actionit. elus. Seiklusi, põnevust ja lapsi ka. Vähemalt 4 last miinimum.
Palun tõuske püsti kõik need inimesed, kes hakkavad tulevikus hea meelega Noorpari lapsi hoidma.
We met in a lovely, beautiful establishment in Karratha. Well, for me, I saw Tenna through the window of the place, and I said to my mate, "Wow, she's effing hot."
My mate thinks you're hot.
Yeah, well, yeah. Because he thinks you're hot, and then we got talking, and that was it.
Before that, I said to Casey, same thing.
Tene, what is Dean's most annoying habit?
Shoes in the living room.
Tenna likes to throw things. Telephones, laptops, anything that doesn't work properly.
Kassid või koerad? Microsoft or Apple? Queen or ABBA?
Ei, mä lähen siin.
Just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama!
My first cigarette, Macca was there. Lighting it up for me.
And for my pop, he's first time out of Australia, and he's jumped on a plane and he's come over. So thank you very much, Pop. It means so much.
Ja väga suured tänud meie mõlema perekonnale. Kõikide nende aastate jooksul toetuse ja armastuse eest, mis te olete meile pakkunud. Ma olen väga-väga õnnelik, et ma saan kogu oma elu sinuga koos veeta. Armastan sind väga.
There are days I wake up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared. That is all a dream. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone.
What did one kangaroo say to the other kangaroo?
I wish you all the best.
Who said those amazing, good, lovely 3 words? Leave me alone. It's the craziest family.
Be scared.